Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT for quick ideas. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. Using ChatGPT for quick ideas can be incredibly effective way to jumpstart your creativity, solve problems, or explore new angles for your projects. Whether you are brainstorming for a business, looking for content ideas, or seeking solutions to a challenge, ChatGPT can provide you with diverse and actionable suggestions in no time. To start, one of the most powerful ways to use ChatGPT for quick ideas is by farming your prompt clearly. For instance, if you're looking for creative content ideas, try a prompt like "Give me 5 creative blog post ideas for tech startup with the goal of engaging young professionals." By specifying your goal and audience, ChatGPT can generate relevant ideas that align with your needs. I'm showing you it with an example. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see Introducing ChatGPT. You have to open this link. Now click on Try ChatGPT. Here I'm going to show you an example. Can you give me 5 quick tips to improve my public speaking skills? Let's see the solution. Here it is. So this is how to use ChatGPT for quick ideas. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.